Hello, we would like to take a look and see what's under the hood of this Gaggia Espresso Deluxe espresso machine. So let's just do that. So it's very easy to open up. You just got 4 screws here on the top and 2 on the back, and I've removed those already. They are Torx screws. So we've already got it all exposed. So this is what we're looking at right here. Now it is really a bit of a flimsy design because it's made out of plastic, but that's not really what we're looking at here. We want to look and see what kind of components are in here. So what you see first of all is you've got a Thermoblock. That is point number 1. You've got a Thermoblock, aluminum, and it's got stainless steel lines inside. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a stainless steel line in there. So that's good. So far, so good. Then you've got coming up from this motherboard here, you got 2 thick wires, and these 2 thick wires come up here and ultimately end up at these over temperature sensors. And if the temperature is still okay, then it goes down with these thinner wires here to the heating element within the Thermoblock. Same thing with this one, it goes to this over temperature sensor, and if it's fine, then it goes over here to the top one. But where's the PID? That's the question. Where is the temperature sensor? And that's what we find right here on this braided cable. So this braided cable, if you can see right here, has got 2 thin black wires. And these run here through the braided cable to the underside of the Thermoblock. It is screwed in right under there where the tip of this pointer is. And it's even got a little bit of thermal paste on there. So that is where our thermal probe is located. So yippee, it does have an actual PID inside. And that gets wired to the board right here. You've also got the pump circuit. So the pump comes up here with this yellow wire, turns into a white wire, and this white wire is wired here to this thermal fuse, which goes here to the one side of the pump and comes down the black side and goes back to the end of that circuit to complete it. So that is what you got going on. An Ulca pump, if you can see that, it's definitely an Ulca here, and on the end of the pump you've got the overpressure valve here with a brass fitting, and this right here is the water that gets shunted back into your tank. The water that is underneath that pressure of this overpressure valve goes here to the Thermoblock, runs through the gets heated, and comes out here on this heated side, which is also where the thermal probe is, and goes to the brew group here, and it will go down here to the brew group. Unless you've got this steam wand here activated. And in that case, when you've got this activated, it's going to bypass the brew group and it's going to come out here through the steam wand. And by the way, the steam wand doesn't just rotate like this, it also does move up just a little bit. Not a whole lot, but a little bit. And that's thanks to a commenter who mentioned that on the video. So thank you for that. Then you got this ribbon cable here. So the ribbon cable is responsible for these buttons in the front, and I don't know yet if you can set up the PID for a different temperature. I'm gonna have to look into that and see if it's possible. So far I don't think so, but that is what the machine looks like on the inside. Again, very, very, very lightweight, and but it's nice. I mean, with 6 screws you got the skirt off and you can just take a look in there. And that's actually really nice. So, alright guys, I hope this video was helpful for you, and if so, give it a like. If you thought it sucked, give it a thumbs down. Either way, until next time, I say happy coffee drinking and happy taking your espresso machine apart. Bye now.